In this guide, we'll walk you through 4 proven methods to help you restore deleted contacts on Infinix. Way 1. How to restore deleted contacts on Infinix from XContacts. Most Infinix smartphones come with a built-in backup tool called XContacts, which is part of the XOS system. If you previously backed up your contacts through this tool, you can restore them in just a few steps. Step 1. Open the XContacts app on your Infinix phone. Step 2. Tap the menu 3 dots or lines and choose Restore Contacts. Step 3. Select the backup file you want to use, usually stored locally or in your Infinix account. Step 4. Tap Restore and wait for the process to complete. Way 2. How to recover deleted contacts on Infinix with SIM card. If your contacts were originally saved on your SIM card, there's a chance they weren't deleted from the SIM at all. You can simply import them back to your phone's internal storage. Step 1. Go to the Contacts app on your Infinix phone. Step 2. Tap the menu Import Export. Step 3. Choose Import from SIM card. Step 4. Select the contacts you wish to import or tap Select All. Then, confirm the import. Way 3. How to retrieve deleted contacts on Infinix via Google Contacts. If Google account syncing was enabled before contacts were deleted, you can easily retrieve them from your Google Contacts backup. However, it can only restore contacts deleted within the last 30 days. If the deletion occurred more than 30 days ago, you'll need to consider other recovery methods. Step 1. Visit Google Contacts on a browser. Step 2. Sign in with the Google account linked to your Infinix phone. Step 3. Click the Trash option from the left sidebar. Step 4. Browse deleted contacts available for up to 30 days. Step 5. Select the ones you want and click Recover. Step 6. Once restored online, go to Settings, Google Account Services, Contacts Sync on your Infinix. Make sure Contacts Sync is turned on. Way 4. How to recover deleted contacts on Infinix by Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android on your computer from the official website. Step 2. Connect your Infinix device via a USB cable and follow the instructions to enable USB debugging. Once connected, select Contacts as the file type to scan. Step 3. Choose between Quick Scan and Deep Scan modes based on your needs. Step 4. After the scan completes, preview the results and select the contacts you wish to recover. Click Recover to save them back to your computer.